In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with encryption and decryption using Power Automate. Whether you're handling sensitive information or just want to ensure your data remains secure, understanding encryption and decryption can be incredibly valuable. If you're ready, let's dive right in and explore the steps involved for both encrypting and decrypting your data. First off, let's talk about encryption using Power Automate. We'll be using the utility AES encryption action. AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard, is one of the most popular encryption algorithms due to its high level of security, and Power Automate makes it relatively simple to use. To begin, you'll need to have the data that you wish to encrypt ready. This could be any string of data that you need to protect. Once you have your data prepared, the next step is to provide an encryption key. It's crucial that this key is between 16 and 32 characters long, striking the right balance between security and manageability. Remember, this key functions as the lock that your data will need a matching key to unlock later, so keep it secure and choose something complex yet memorable. In addition to your encryption key, you will also need an initialization vector, commonly referred to as an IV. Think of the IV as an extra layer of randomness added to the encryption process. This is designed to make patterns harder to detect, adding another shield of security to your data. After providing all this information, your data, encryption key, and IV, the utility AES encryption action will work its magic, and the output you'll receive will be your data in an encrypted format known as base 64. This excited jumble of characters is your data safely encrypted, ready to be stored or transmitted as needed. Now that your data is safely encrypted, let's look at the decryption process. This is where we reverse the process, turning your enciphered data back into its original form. For this, you'll utilize the utility AES decryption action. Begin by inputting the encrypted data you generated earlier. It's vital that you still have your original encryption key and IV handy, as these will be required to unlock the original data. Without them, decrypting your information would be next to impossible. Input the encrypted data along with the encryption key and IV you used before. With these details provided, the utility AES decryption action will reverse the process, outputting your decrypted data. This will be in the same form as you initially had, making it readable and usable once again. And that's it. You now know how to encrypt and decrypt data using Power Automate, helping you maintain security and privacy with ease. Remember, the confidentiality of your encryption key and IV is paramount, so guard them carefully to ensure your data stays secure. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find this guide valuable as you continue to explore the world of Power Automate.